Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my morning skincare routine. I'm gonna start with how I remove my makeup and then show you what product I'm currently using. So let's get started. The first one is Pond's Micellar Water. This is to break down all that stubborn and long wearing makeup that we use on our eyes and lip. My technique to doing this is to take a cotton ball and take the water pretty generously on the cotton ball and then swipe it off. Now the makeup is completely off, and for the last cleansing I'm using Himalaya face wash. All the cleansing is done. Now I am using a toner which is from a brand called Sapphire. Correct me if I pronounce it wrong. Now I'm using L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. For the serum, I'm going to use Mamaearth Vitamin C Serum. It has turmeric. It will help you to remove all the pimple marks. Now I'm using a face oil by the brand called The Ordinary. I'm sorry I forget to take the product shot. I'm shooting this early in the morning. That's why I'm using sunscreen. If you are doing it at night, then go for a good night cream or eye gel and eye cream. Last but not the least is lip balm. I'm using Nivea lip balm. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.